Hey guys, this is the short video to show you how to use your calculator. Now, your graphing calculator may not look exactly like this, but it's going to be quite similar where you find the functions. So first you're going to go to start, right? First you'll go to start, then input the values in your list. So I'm going to go to start, and then I will go to edit, which is this edit, right? That's what I'm going to click, edit. Then I'll edit the list, put in the values in my list. In L1 I'll put in values 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's find it here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 1, enter 2 3 6, and then in L2 I'll put in 1 1 2 5 1 4 9 5 2 3 1 0 3 2 9 4 4 6 50 6 3 6 1. Okay, once I've finished putting in my values, I'm going to go to second and then mod, so I can go back to a blank screen. So second and mod. Oops. Then I'm going to go to start plot. Start plot is up here, so I'll push second function, then I'll push that button because just above it is the start plot. So I'll push second and that button, and then I want to make sure that my start plot is on scatter, because that says scatter. If you find it on off, take that away and then make sure it's on scatter. X is L1 and Y is L2, right? Hope you can see X is L1, Y is L2. So mine is pretty set like that, and the color that I'm plotting in is red. So since that's set, I'm going to go ahead and graph it. Oops, this is way ahead. So take this out. I'm going to go ahead and graph the scatter. The issue is on your calculators, it's going to come out like this, for example, right? On your calculator, you need to set the window. So on your calculator, there's a button that says window somewhere up here. One of these buttons should say window on your calculator. So you push that button that says window and then specify the maximum value. So the maximum Y value, since your list says that the maximum Y value is 6,000 something, try to set your maximum Y value to say 6,500 and set your maximum X value to 6, so that you can see the points that you plotted in your window. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to, again, start, right? So I'll go to start, then I'll go to calc, which is up there, calc. So I'll go to calc, and then I'll look for one that says exponential regression, and I hope you see exponential regression. This here fits an exponential model to data, right? So I'm going to go to exponential regression because that's what I need, and I'm going to specify that I want that regression for L1 in X and L2 in Y. When I do that, I'll hit enter. So when I hit enter, it gives me the value of A, because I know this exponential model is y is equal to a times b to the power x. So my A is 776 point all of that, and B is 1.4260 point all of that. On my graph, if I do zoom, and again on your calculators, set your maximum value to be something like 6,500, because you can see my maximum, I have 6,000 up here. So set yours to be like 6,500, and set your maximum X value to be something like 6 or 10. That way you'll see everything that you plotted on one window. On this phone, I can just zoom in and out to see them clearly. So I have the points, and I know that it's an exponential graph that fits these points. And how I found that is I use the exponential regression. I have the A value and the B value. Now my calculator allows me to just type A times B to the power X, but I don't know if your calculator allows you to do that. I don't think it does. So since it doesn't, you might have to type out the whole value of A. This whole value of A, you might have to type it out times this whole value of B. You'll have to type it out to the power X. But since my calculator is smarter than yours, I just type the A and the B, and then I push graph, and when I push graph, it just automatically fits the model onto the data that I have. And my estimation was correct that this is an exponential model, because you can see that it curves away from the horizontal asymptote. So the next part asks me to find the value of y when the value of x when y is 4000. So what I will do is I'll just still go back to my graphing, so y, and then type y is equal to 4000, then graph those two. So look for the point where the black line cuts the graph that I plotted at first, and I think on this I can just touch. No, let me touch. I'll go find root. No, it's not root, it's intersect. Okay, intersect. So the intersect is 4.6181, that's the x value, when the y value is 4000. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.